In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress in cPanel step by step. First, log into your hosting account. I'm using GreenGeeks for this tutorial. Their hosting dashboard is quite simple and most of the important options are easy to find. Here, you can see my active hosting plan, and right here is the cPanel login button. So simply click on the cPanel login button and log in to your cPanel account. Once you're inside cPanel, you'll see the main cPanel interface. Now, depending on your hosting provider, you may find different tools for installing WordPress. In my case, GreenGeeks provides both its own WordPress Manager and the Softaculous Apps Installer. For this tutorial, I'll use WordPress Manager by GreenGeeks. For your cPanel, you may see WordPress Manager by Softaculous. It's a great option if you want to learn how to install WordPress in cPanel on almost any hosting account. So I'm clicking on that WordPress Manager option. Now click on the Install button. Here, you'll see the WordPress installation form. First, make sure HTTPS is selected. Then choose the domain where you want to install WordPress. If your domain is registered with a different domain registrar and it's not already added to your hosting account, you'll need to add it as an add-on domain first. We covered how to add an add-on domain and install WordPress on it in our previous video. Next, create a username and password. You'll use these credentials later to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, so make sure you remember them or save them somewhere secure. Now scroll down. You may see some additional WordPress plugins that are selected by default. If you don't need them, you can simply uncheck them. Once everything is configured, scroll down and click Install. WordPress will now be installed on your hosting account. This may take a few moments. And there we go. WordPress has been installed successfully. Now let's visit the website. As you can see, our WordPress website is up and running. We can also access the WordPress admin dashboard by going to the WordPress login page and entering the username and password we created during the installation. And we're successfully logged in. So that's how to install WordPress in cPanel using WordPress Manager. As you can see, the entire process is quite simple and only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching.